Sai Ram. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's math session. Today we are going to start with maths revision. You have completed with essay 2 portion. So now let's start with maths revision. Question 1. Choose the correct answer. First, 15 divided by 5 is equal to dash. What is the answer? 3. You have to say the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So the answer is 3. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Second, Friday comes before. What is the answer? Yes children, Saturday. Options are Sunday, Saturday, Thursday. So Friday comes before Saturday. In India, rupees are written as dash. A, P, B, coins, C, rupees. The symbol is C1. That is R. In India, rupees are written as, you can see here in C column. Yes. Fourth, 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. Options are A, 100, B, 1000, C, 10. So what is the correct answer? 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Fifth, the time 10 is to 15 can be written as dash. A, quarter past 10, quarter to 10, half past 10. So what is the answer? Quarter past 10. The time 10:15 can be written as quarter past 10. Sixth, 0 divided by any number gives dash as the quotient. Options are A, 0, B, 1, C, 2. So what is the correct answer? A, 0. 0 divided by any number gives 0 as the quotient. 0 divided by any number give 0 as the quotient. Seventh one. 700 grams plus 150 grams is equal to dash grams. So you have to add. First, always you have to add the ones column. You have to add ones place. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 1 is 8. So what is the answer? 850 grams. 700 grams plus 150 grams is equal to 850 grams. Now we will go to the next one, 8th one. 2 months after September is dash. A, November, B, October, C, December. So 2 months after September is what children? November. So what is the correct answer? November. 2 months after September is November. 9th. Now this months have how many days? That is April, June, September and November. How many days they have? 30. April, June, September and November have 30 days. Yes children. So which are the 4 months? April, June, September and November. Now come to 10th one. The short form of 99 rupees and 75 paisa is dash. Options are A, 79.55, that is 79 rupees 55 paisa. B, 57.95, that is 57 rupees 95 paisa. C, 99 rupees and 75 paisa. So which is the correct option? C. Yes. What is the correct option children? C. 99.75. The short form is 99.75. Height of a child is measured in, options are kg, kg, B, M, capital L and C is centimeter. So what is the correct option? Centimeter. Height of a child is measured in centimeter. 12th. We start measuring from the dash mark of the ruler. Yes, you can see the mark on the ruler. So where we should start from? 0. Okay, the options are 1, 0 and 2. So we start measuring from the 0 mark of the ruler. Question number 2. Click whether the statement is true or false. Click the correct option. First, division is repeated subtraction. Options are A, true, B, false. Which is the right option, children here? True. A. Division is repeated subtraction. True. Second, a clock has 4 hands. A, true, B, false. So what is the answer? False, because a clock face always has 3 hands. A clock face has 4 hands. Answer is false. Milliliter is written as small m capital L in short. It is true or false, children? It is true. Milliliter is written as m capital L in short. True. Fourth, 1 hour is equal to 50 minutes. It is false, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 50 minutes. False. Fifth, there are 28 or 29 days in the month of March. It is false, because 28 or 29 days comes in the month of February, not in March. There are 28 or 29 days in the month of March. False. Sixth, a bag of wheat is measured in kilogram. It is true. A bag of wheat is measured in kilogram. A, true. Seventh, a square has all 4 sides equal. What is the answer, children? True. Square always has all 4 sides equal. So what is the answer? True. 1 coin of 50 paisa make 1 rupee. It is false, because 2 coins of 50 paisa make 1 rupee. 1 coin of 50 paisa make 1 rupee. False. A leap year occurs every 4 years. That is true. A leap year occurs every 4 years. What is the answer? True. Thursday comes after Friday. True or false? What is the answer, children? It is false. Thursday doesn't come after Friday. Thursday comes after Friday. False. 11th, 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. True. Answer is what? True. 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. True. Now in division, the answer we get is called as quotient. What is the answer? True. In division, the answer we get is called as quotient. True. Yes, children. So we have completed today's revision. Bye bye, children.